Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shamapti and I'm so happy to see you here. I'm getting ready to show you what I bought for this winter. I like fluffy, soft, comfortable winter wear, and for this winter I bought few sweaters, jackets which are really comfortable, obviously soft, and they look kind of cute. And I love beautiful prints, pastel shades. So yeah, I can't wait to show you what I bought. Let's start. So this one is a very basic black sweater. I bought it because I didn't have one. And one tip, don't wear nude color bra with black sweater or black t-shirt, if you know what I mean. Okay, so moving on to this. It's very easy to wear like every day. You can pair this with jacket, or you can wear black sweaters by themselves. They just look very classic and elegant, I think. And this jacket also I bought recently. I'm gonna show you later. First let me show you this one I bought. I really love the color of it. I love the pockets that it has, and obviously the sleeves are also quite good. See this one? And it is not for like heavy winter, but it is really comfortable. I can layer this with a sweater, and I kind of like the baggy look that it has. And these days I'm liking loose fit outfits. And did I tell you about the pockets? I think I did. And this one is another jacket I have shown you earlier. They are actually calling this shacket. This is a hybrid of a shirt and a jacket, and I'm liking these things. This gives like kind of cool casual look and very comfortable and warm. Yeah, like I told you, I'm really digging loose fitting jackets and outfits these days. Okay, this one is a sweater, and it is not the like best looking sweater that I have, but I like this because this is so soft. I wear this and I feel sleepy because it is so comfortable and super soft. I really like the material of it. The look wise, I'm not loving it, but I love how comfortable it is. That is like, it makes me happy. It makes me feel like winter is really here. So yeah, I'm doing my happy dance. Okay, I bought this jacket for really cold days, and I like the color, the baby pink, pale pink. And I got like 70% off or 80% off on this one. So I thought it was a good deal, and it is actually very warm. I love the fact that it keeps me warm, but it is not that heavy. It's kind of light, and it has this hoodie. Okay, so here comes my favorite color. This is a lavender sweater. So yeah, my favorite color is lavender, so how can't I buy something that is lavender? And this one is so fluffy. It is soft. It is really soft. Like I told you, these days for this winter I picked most of the things that are like super soft. I think I said soft for like 1,000 times, but yeah, this one is soft. Yeah, I like this very much. Very comfortable. So you have seen me wearing this many times in my videos, and this is the peach sweater. I love the print. I saw an ad somewhere and they were showing this sweater, and I'm so happy. Like, I don't appreciate ads that much, like most of the times, like 70% of the times, but 30% of the times I get good ads. So yeah, from the ads I got this sweater. I clicked on the ad, they had just one piece, and I just had to buy this one. This is very beautiful. This one is my like go-to jacket or whatever it is these days, because again fluffy stuff, and this is very lightweight. I like the color, but it gets dirty very fast. They have one in beige color as well, one pink, one beige. I bought the pink one because I like pink more, and also I really love how the zipper looks. So this one is another jacket, shirt plus jacket. I bought it because I'm loving jackets. These are like very cozy, warm, and I love the pale pink color, and obviously big pockets and big buttons. So I think I'm a jacket person now. Well, that sounds stupid, but yeah, let me know if you're liking jackets these days, because I'm seeing these things everywhere. I actually don't wear this with jeans, I wear this with like loose pants. I'm gonna show you how I style this thing someday. So okay, now I have to go. I have to meet a friend today, so I'm really excited. I'm like getting kind of late. I'm gonna be wearing this jacket because like I told you, oh my god, it's ulta. Anyway, so yeah, like I told you, I love the color. So yeah, I'm gonna go. Bye bye bye. Oh, I forgot to wear a mask. Okay, let me get in, let me go, and bye for now. I'm gonna see you very soon, and thank you for being here. Okay, I have to take the camera. Why I'm so clumsy. Bye, take care.